So in order to better understand fiscal policy, we are going to take a look at the implementation of a contractionary policy and what that does to the ADAS model. So when the government lowers government spending or increases taxation in order to reduce aggregate demand and subsequently reduce high inflation, that is contractionary policy. So if we take a look at our ADAS model, this economy is currently producing over its full employment output. That is Y1 at the higher output, which in turn gives us this high inflationary point right here. That is price level 1. What we want is the economy to be producing at price level of the full employment. And that is shown by the aggregate demand curve kind of slightly going to the right. Based off of some things, this could be from perhaps high expectations in the markets and consumers really gouging these markets, continuously buying up things, and just overall consuming more. And they're actually producing at a higher rate, and unemployment rate is actually lower. So in this instance, inflation is too high. We want to knock back that down and give the economy a chance to grow naturally. If this was left unchecked, the short-run aggregate supply curve would eventually shift to go back to long-run aggregate supply, and it would shift to the left and meet at this point right here, further increasing inflation. So contractionary policy, the idea is to, say we raise taxation, the idea is to shift this aggregate demand curve in so that we get back to our equilibrium unemployment rate and inflation right here. So our price level just needs to come down a slight bit. And that is an example of contractionary policy.